Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip and in the MGM Grand. We're going to visit Topgolf today at the MGM Grand, all the way in the back of the MGM Grand. It was a request by Wise Malik, one of my more loyal subscribers, and I appreciate everyone with their suggestions, and I do the best I can, and I'm glad I came here today. One thing I didn't realize, and perhaps Wise Malik didn't realize either, is that it took me about half an hour just to get to the back of the MGM Grand. This place is so huge. And on top of that, I still have a long walk ahead of me. They say golf is great exercise, and I'm really not too sure about that, but I can tell you this. Getting to Topgolf, or the golf course for that matter, is good exercise. I keep saying to myself, I'm sure I'll see it as soon as I turn that next corner, but nope. Let's hope it's around this corner. By the way, in case you were wondering, all the pools to the MGM Grand are to the left of us here at the back of the building. And that's got me wondering, I wonder if these poor souls that are staying here at the MGM Grand had to walk as much as I am just to get to the pools. Perhaps it'll be at the end of this straightway here, and I think they should have little rest areas here where you can get a massage and perhaps change your shoes every once in a while. Let's see, fingers crossed, perhaps right around this corner. Wait a minute, I think I see it. Or is that a desert mirage? Looks like only a few more miles to go. Gee, Wise Malik, thanks. This was a great idea. Now, if you look way back there, you'll see the MGM Grand. Wait, let me get my binoculars. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. So this place is pretty big. It's not the biggest Topgolf. I think that title goes to the Oceans Resorts Topgolf in Atlantic City on the boardwalk. Nonetheless, this one has 4 levels. Levels 1 and 2 are for all ages. Sometimes they have live entertainment. There's private meeting rooms here, as well as event spaces, views of the strip, 2 bars, and some hitting bays. Levels 3 and 4 are for the 21 plus crowd, with 2 pools with swim-up bars, VIP cabanas, private suites, private event and rooftop spaces, views of the strip, 3 bars, and some more hitting bays. All the hitting bays have tables as well as comfortable sofas that you can lounge in. They serve cocktails and food here, and the food's actually pretty good. I'll leave a link to the Topgolf in the description below, and you can check out the menu there as well. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. There's a Callaway fitting studio here where you can work on your golf swing or get some custom fitted clubs which can be sent directly to your home within 48 hours. These folks coming up on the left are digging some nachos, wings, and some brews. It's really comfortable up here considering it's over 100 degrees outside. It's not that bad up here at all. Coming up to the second level, it's pretty much the same as the first, and again, these are the family levels, the first 2 levels. Inside here is air conditioned, and you can get some snacks and some cocktails and enjoy the air conditioning in here. But again, it's not bad outside at all, even though it's over 100 degrees. Hey, kids! Adults only up here. Go play on the strip. There are a total of 120 climate-controlled hitting bays here, so that's why it's comfortable, and that's a lot of hitting bays. There's also a Topgolf Pro Shop, a unique lifestyle apparel and gift store offering a wide assortment of golf accessories, Topgolf Las Vegas logoed apparel, souvenir items, and gifts for all ages. Now this is what I'm talking about. I can see myself enjoying a nice adult beverage here. Want to join me? We'll head outside in a moment on this level, but I believe this level and the one above us are closed right now. I'm sure they'll be open later in the evening for the adults. But I assure you I'm not leaving unless I see one of those swimming pools with the walk-up bar. And here you can see both pools, one on this level and one on the level upstairs with the glass enclosure. And apparently the top levels aren't closed off because there are people up here. I guess these are the few survivors from that long walk. Those spiral stairs on the right will take you to the rooftop deck. If you're disabled and worry about those spiral stairs, don't worry, there's elevators that'll take you to every level here. Now I know I joke around a lot about the walk from the MGM Grand or from the Strip even to Topgolf back here, but there's a shuttle that'll actually take you from the MGM Grand to Topgolf. It runs every 20 minutes. I'm not kidding. That's how far away this place is. But again, I enjoy the walk. These are the walking directions from the casino inside the MGM Grand. From the casino, pass through the lobby bar, turn right and walk towards the Ka box office. Just past Wolfgang Puck, turn right and walk into the district. Continue through the district past Kraft Steaks, Pub 1842, and Grand Garden Arena. When you reach the spa mezzanine, take the escalators down towards the pool. At the entrance to the pool, turn right and continue through the hall. Exit the set of glass doors to your left before you reach the conference center. Walk through the Topgolf Wet Republic walkway. Coming up next on the New York Channel. I love chocolate and so does everyone else. That's why there's so much security around here at the Hershey store. This place is located in the New York Hotel and Casino. It's 2 levels and has everything from baked goods to all your favorite chocolate bars, as well as Twizzlers and gummies and things like that. Just tons of Hershey merch. And when was the last time you heard the words Hershey merch? T-shirts, mugs, keychains, refrigerator magnets, you name it, you'll find it here. And Reese's, a personal favorite of Jeff from New York. Did you know Reese's is the #1 selling candy bar in America? And it's not even a bar, it's a cup. And I got some shiny pressed pennies from this vending machine here from the Hershey store, as well as the M&M store and the Coca-Cola store. I'll be giving them all away in the community room on this New York channel, so make sure you keep checking out that community tab. Finally, thank you Wise Malik for recommending Topgolf. I had a great time there. It was a long walk, but a good time nonetheless. If any of you have any suggestions on where you'd like me to visit and what to see and what to video, just let me know on the New York channel and I'll do my best to check it out.
1, 2, 3.
Please subscribe to New York channel. Oh, okay, I forgot. Let's do it.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe. Woo!
Hey Lucy, what do you think of the Las Vegas version of my Lucy and Ethel here? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.